up a foe in a loco. Tell him run this bitch back like so-so. Got this rap shit here in the chokehold. Did a show out in Austin, shout out to Bobo. Moved out the trenches, now look how we live. Tell my BM to furnish the crib. Walk out the mall with some shoes for the kids. Deposit the checks from my bank full of M's. Paid up my rent, now I'm up for the year. The view look crazy from here. What I paid for some dogs could've bought me veneers. Texas piece on my neck could've bought your career. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Stuffing Cali blood weed in the blunt. Let my little brother roll him a Dutch. My little boy get whatever he want. Madam T don't be asking for much. Pour and lean on the nuggets and runch. Spill the rest of that drink in a punch. Left wrist on some I had to stunt. Right wrist, I just did it because 600 the labor, you know how we coming. Tell them niggas they ain't taking nothing. Standing on business, we shooting the punching. Hating ass nigga, go get you some money. I just got off a tour, finna go on another one. Album done, finna drop me another one. Couple M's, finna run up another one. Super Bowl ring, shit, I had to go double. Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up shit since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest, the largest. Hey. Turn me up a little bit more.
It's only fair.
Hey. Yeah. Hey. Hey, see, we posted with pistols and rockets. Ain't making deposits. We putting that shit all in the box. Done got a little buzz now.
What up, what up, what up? What's going on? Good morning. Slate, real AI ninja. Boy, I ain't no AI. I'm real, brother. I'm real. Getting this thing set up. My trades may look AI sometimes because I'm always winning. Always winning, bruh. But I ain't no AI. We're here. We're live. Bruh, I gotta win. I can't even remember the last. Slaps is trying to rage bait right now, bro. It ain't gonna work. Ain't gonna work. Everybody knows I be winning. Let's go. Caught a win this morning here with the London session. 17 points right there. Let's go. Let's go. How's everybody doing this morning? How's everybody doing? Slaps, you must have already lost. You must have already lost today, bro. It's okay. You should have waited on the stream. You should have waited on the stream, man. We could have got you a win, bro. If you would have just waited, we could have done it, brother. Dang, man. Minus 4K, bro. It's okay. It's okay, dude. We'll catch you a win right here. I got you a banger watch. The short's about to be coming in. Hang on. Get in short now. You'll be good. Get in short and write it down. Trust. Trust. This thing's rolling over, bro. It's about to dump. Thing's rolling. Oh, let me get the You guys think it's rolling over? Or you think it's just a pullback to go higher? Let me know. I need to know. We got a 15-minute fair value gap, 30-minute fair value gap. What's everybody doing, man? Everybody have a good weekend? Let me see if this is correct. Yes, sir. Everybody have a good weekend? I had a phenomenal weekend. Can't complain, bro. Let me get old Pepe off the chart here. Brown said working most of the weekend. Same here, bro. Always working. All right, dude. Let me get an analysis. Yeah, this is the trade we caught this morning here. A 10-minute inversion play this morning. Right here. 10-minute close below. Got in short right there on a retap of the inversion. And then wrote it down to the bottom of this wick here. I had full targets. I had my full targets down here. But I took some off when it hit that first TP. And then it started coming down and I just trailed my stop to that TP and came back up, took the rest of it out. So I got fully out there at the TP there. But I was shooting for this down here. Just didn't happen. Slap said worked 12 hours and ran 4 miles. Dang, bro. And you're on the chart. Man, you're getting after it. You're getting after it, bro. Heck yeah. Love the grind. That's grinding right there. All right, let me remove these. Let me remove all the drawings here. And let's hop into here to the daily. We got a huge gap up here. Let me remove the paper trades. We got a huge gap up so far. Let me hop over here to the 4. We're at all-time highs, so no real data to the left to play off of. But on the 4 hour, yeah, we got the gap here. Let me mark out this gap. And let me see, INWOG. We got an INWOG right here, boys. I'm gonna make it yellow. And that's an INWOG. New week opening gap right there. Man, I don't know. I'm trying to figure that out right now, Slaps. We're inside. We got a 1 hour gap right here. Bing bong. I mean, today's either going to drop down or it's just going to grind up the whole day. So it's just one of those kind of things. 1 hour fair value gap right there. Another one right here. Already been tapped into. I'm going to put the next one right down here. Pretty 1 hour FEG right there. All right. 15-minute. All right. So this is gonna be my plan here. If we can start to close below this 1 hour fair value gap, can assume that we're gonna drop it down here, and then from there we'd be close enough to probably come down to the gap here. So that's gonna be my plan for today here. What up, Caveman? What up, Barack Obama? What up, Miss K? What's up, guys? How's it going? All right. So this is my plan here. If we get a closure below here, like this. Closure. Then I think we are going to drop it on down, at least to here, then possibly here. This is what I'd like to see. If this doesn't happen, we'll probably grind up all day. Let's be honest. Let's be honest. But this would be ideal. So this is my plan for today. About to pop it over to the Discord group. New York pre-NY analysis. If we can start to close below this 1 hour FEG, if we can start to close below this 1 hour FEG, I see, dude. We can't get a 1 hour, a close below that 1 hour FEG, then we probably grind higher the rest of the day, the whole day. Boom. If we can start to close below this 1 hour FEG, I can see us dropping down to the next fair value gap and probably the new week opening gap. If we can't get a close below that 1 hour fair value gap, then we probably grind higher the whole day. I like that. Boom. Duh says, brother, which stock and what time and what is time frame? This is the 1 hour, just doing the analysis right here, but I'm done with the analysis. So now I'm gonna hop it down to the smaller time frame and see if we can catch something here while we're on the live stream for you guys, getting some sort of trade. What's up, Frank? What up, Adam? Average R and win rate. The average R, it just all kind of ranges. I take from negative R all the way to like 20 R, just depending on, you know, what the chart's giving me, what I can get. But I'd say average win rate's around 80%. All right. Let's take a look. Did we make an equal low here? No, we did not. All right, buddy, we're hopping into this 1 minute, this 5 minute fair value gap. If we can start to reject this, I see us continuing to fall down right here. If we can reject this 5 minute. But let's see. All right, dude. I'm going to take a paper trade. I think I'm going to take a paper trade right here, boys. I just trade the chart. That's all you need. You don't need any indicators. I'm going to take a short. And let's see, brother. See if this rig can drop it down. Yeah, buddy. Drop it. From right here, I would go to dude, what the heck? Oh my gosh. I can't even draw on the chart here. I need this bad boy to drop it down. Right here, though, if it ever makes it down here, I'm gonna break even. And then down here, TP. Bingo, bango, bongo. What up, what up? Doomslayer says NQ trapping. It could be, bro. Not lying. It could be trapping in some shorts here just to squeeze it back on higher. But I'm going to give it a try on the shorts. And let's see. Let's see. We got a 5-minute FEG we just tapped into. We look like we're kind of turning to the downside here, so I took the short. 5-minute FEG. Bang. Coming down. Dump it, baby! Dump. What's up, man? What's up, everybody? Let me know if you took this trade, man. We about to hammer it to win. Let me know if you're in this thing with me. Who's in this trade with me? Miner said ICT stuff. Yeah, kind of. I didn't study ICT, but I'm a master. I would say I'm a master of fair value gaps and liquidity. See, dude, instead of being a jack of all trades, I'm an ace, brother. You can either be a jack of all trades and try to learn be okay at every strategy, or you can be an ace. I'm a friggin' ace, bro. I'm an ace at my strategy. Yo, thanks for the sub, Nicola. Let's go. What up, Ivan? Ivan's in a sell. Let's go. From 845, dude. What an entry, bro. What an entry. That's up there. All right. Let me go ahead and take one off right here. Bing bong. One. When we get down here, I'm gonna buy one. Bang. TP1 right there. And then I'll put another one right here. Bang. And then my final one down here. Bang. TP2 right there. TP2 right here. TP1 down here. Full TP. Bang. Bang. Drop it like it's hot. Let's go. Drop it. What up? Yo, Rico's way. We got out of one right there. Break even time. Boom. Now we're at break even on a trade here, brothers. I'm going to leave this up here just to leave it up there, but I'm at break even. Yo, hottie boy, what up? Thanks for the sub. Rico's way, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it, Doomslayer. I'm telling you, bros, I just take some wins. I take wins, dude, but we're hopping in this 1 hour FEG now, so we could bounce from it. But if it wants to make the reversal here, it's going to hit all the TPs. But if you want to be safe, we just tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap, so we could see a bounce back up from here. So if you want to be safe, just take the money now. Take the money and run. I'm going to try to hold it. I'm going to try to hold it for the big biscuits. Try to hold it for the big biscuits. All right, dude. Let me see. I think I want to do something here. Let me see. Let me add. Well, that wouldn't really work because when I move my chart, it moves with it. All right. Miner said, why you paper trade this? Because I already made money with the London session this morning right here. We are up 820 in all the accounts, so no reason to keep trading here. I'm up 820 in all my accounts, so I don't have to real trade today anymore. I'm a, what is it? I'm a disciplined trader, bro. Disciplined. With the live, with the premium group, 820 times 3 accounts, so I'm good for the day. So I just paper traded this one. Yes, sir, miner. Let's go, Doomslayer. Slap said my TP is 800 or homeless. Well, we'll see. I think he got a good shot of it getting down there. I think he got a good shot. But we'll see. Hey guys, if you wouldn't mind, I'm not, I feel like the past few live streams I've been kind of a addy guy, like telling everybody to do stuff. But if you wouldn't mind hitting that like button for me, I'm not gonna promote anything really on here. It's just if you want to help me out, you can hit the like button. If you want to help me out, you can use my code on prop firms. If you want to win, you can join the premium Discord group. But I'm done promoting stuff. I'm just gonna, people want to help, they can help. So, thanks for the sub, Resp. Thanks for the sub, Savannah Sam. Appreciate the likes, guys. Appreciate the likes. Let's dump it down here. Dump it down. Miner said, you have been in Dodgy's group, right? I was in his Discord group. I never paid for his group, though. But yeah, I do use IFEGs, and I did learn them from Dodgy on YouTube. But I never paid for his group. I appreciate it, Eyebrow. Yeah, Apex has a really good... Frank, yeah, I like his indicator, bro. Let me see if it's called out anything. Look, it called out the short right here. Look, it's calling out some bangers. It called out this short. That's a win. It called out this long right here. Win. Look at that banger long setup, bro. Look at this banger long. If you want the indicator, it's in my Discord. You can snag it. I might set up a little command for it. I don't know. Yeah, bro, that's what I do, Miner. I've kind of adjusted. I got my own kind of strategy going on. Working out well, and I think that's the only way to trade. You gotta make a strategy that works for you. You know, use other people's knowledge and create something that works for you. I think that's the best way to do it. All right. Dump it down here, buddy. All right. Frank Mortimer says, what settings do you use for the indicator? Aaron says, show your London trade. I already did, man. I'll show it in a minute. Let's go dump it down. I'll show it real fast here. They're in the Discord group, but I'll run it through. You can pause it and stuff, but here they are right here. That's what I'm running on them right now. Real fast here. You can pause it, but there you go. Yes, sir, Devin. We live, brother. Okay, so the London session trade, I took a 10-minute inversion after the sweep of the Asian high. We locked in 17 points this morning. Right here. Boom, boom. Got in on a retap of the gap, targeted the nearest lows. This was all it was right here. Bang to bang. 17 points. And that was it. Bingo. Captured the win, got off. Up 820 times 3 accounts. That was it. And here's the profits. 820. And there it is. 820, 820, 820 times 3. Bingo. I don't know how to get the arrows to show on Volumetrica, but it was here on Volumetrica, so if anybody knows how, I can do that, but I don't know how to get to show the executions here. But yeah, there it was. And now we're in this short right here, buddy. Yo, what up, Barack Obama? Barack Obama in the house. Are we doing a giveaway today? If we can get to 69 likes, we can. We're at 30 likes, but if we get to 69 likes, we can join. We can do the giveaway. Jekyll, it should be in the description of the video, but I will send the link here. Give me just a second. I'll drop the link. Give me just a second. Yo, what up, Kenneth? Thanks for the sub. I'll drop the link. Here's the link to the free Discord. Right there. Let me see. These are my settings for it right here. I got series, normal, remove losing setups, allow 7 to 15, only show delivering from PD array, B minus, and then the other main one is include current time frame in higher time frame PD arrays. That's checked on. So those are the main ones that I changed. Philippe, it's 40 bucks a month. Has an insane win rate though. Let's see. Can it keep on dropping here, boys? TP1 right there. The trade's at break even now, so just waiting and watching. Just waiting. Philippe says, what's your win rate? Mine is about 80%. 80% win rate. I'm just gonna put that on the chart here. %. The London session. Oh, what the heck, man? I do. I'm gonna do anchored text here. %, win rate, London session trader, brother. That's me. That's me right there, brother. Can we drop it like it's hot right here? Flo said, are you getting up or staying up for London session? I wake up for London. I wake up and trade it. I go to sleep well, not too early, but I go to sleep and then I wake up for London session. Sam John Guy said, sorry for not taking your word on it, but streamers always lie. Can you show the stats in one of the prop? You can join the Discord, bro. All my payouts are in there. It's over $250,000. Just hit another TP2 right there on this trade. If you think I spent more than $250,000 on prop firms, I don't even know how I would do that. It'd probably take a full year to spend $250,000 on prop firms, because you got to buy the accounts one at a time. So I don't know who's sitting there and popping $29 at a time until they get to $250,000, but that's not me, brother. But I have made $250,000 from prop firms. Appreciate it, Nate. Yeah, I mean, dude, like, I'm over just trying to prove to everybody that, I mean, I'm profitable. Like, either believe me or you can just watch another stream. I don't care anymore. I just want to get on here. Like, I just want to get on here and trade. I'm tired of having to try to prove myself. So if you want to know, just join the Discord, watch the live streams, and we just keep on winning. But I'm not gonna just every time somebody people ask every 5 minutes. So I'm not just gonna show people every 5 minutes all my stats. It's just draining. I'm just gonna trade. That's what I like to do. I like to trade and I like to win. So it's annoying to try to have to prove to everybody every single day. Yeah, 10. What's up, man? How's it going, dude? 10 trading in the house. 10 trading in the house. What up, brother? Dude, see, the paper trading here on TradingView been messing up, dude. That literally hit that went through this buy limit here. It didn't take it. But I'm just paper trading this one today because I already made 820 bucks this morning on my fundeds. Yo, yeah, I like to trade and I like to win. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Trade and win. But we will do a giveaway if we get to 69 likes here. I mean, pretty simple stuff here. Pretty simple stuff in this trade, if I do say so myself. TP2 did get hit, by the way. So, bang, if you caught that. But, dude, I mean, we've been coming up all night long here. We've got a new day opening gap, new week opening gap down here. Really just grinding up, no real pullbacks. The only pullback was during London session, and we called it. We called that pullback win. And now, I mean, we've been coming up all night. What are the odds we don't come down and take out some sort of level down here? So probability is in our favor. You got to think about it. If you've been going up all night, what are the probabilities you keep going up? Or if you have a pullback? It's better to short when you're high. It's better to long when you're low. And the probabilities are in our favor right now. We're in a short after we are already super high. Had a 5-minute fair value gap right here. We got in short on the bearish 5-minute fair value gap, and we're writing it down right now. The indicator called out a short also. It's banging. Look at this. Look at this short the indicator called out. Bang. Inversion right there on the 1-minute time frame. Bang. Let's go. Bruh. Slaps might be right. I'm an AI bot, dude. There it is. TP2 smashed. Again. I think, dude, I might be AI, Slaps. I might be the new version of AI that never wins. I mean, never loses. I never lose. Oh. Off the ground said, what's the name of that indicator? It's Dodgy's IFVG indicator. Dodgy. If you want it, I sent it in here just a minute ago. I can send it again. Let me see if I can find it. Where's the indicator? Where's the it's in the Discord, but let me see. If you want to check out the indicator, I'll send it. I got all my settings in the Discord too, so if you run around, I have some pretty locked in settings on this indicator, by the way. They're pretty dialed in. Dude, like if you literally just ran my settings on the indicator and only took every trade, you'd get to a payout. I don't doubt it now. I've been watching this thing for days, and you get to a payout if you only used the trades it called out with my settings. I don't doubt it, dude. I was a little doubtful at first because of it's an indicator, But dude, this thing's pretty good. Especially like I have the settings here. Series, you definitely want to have series on. B minus, it's you don't really have to have that on. It's better than C because C will show some bad trades, but B minus pretty good. And then I don't show the take profit, break even, and stop loss because those are subjective to me. I like to choose my own. But I will show the entry. If you want to show those, you can show them, but I like to not show them. And then the other main thing is this: include current time frame and higher time frame PD arrays. I was testing on not using this or using this, but I think I like to use it, so I'm gonna leave it on. Yo, what up? Mid PUBG, what up, what up? Joey, appreciate it. Thanks for hitting that like button for me. Yo, guys, hit the like button for me. Dude, I got a question. I got a question. Dude, what a trade here, though. What a trade. That's 25 points right there, dude. 25 points. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Hit the like button. We'll do a giveaway if you hit the like button. 69 likes. FX Baller said, bro, you always make my day positive. Thanks. You make my day positive. I love being on here with you guys. 876 Wiz. Let's go, dude. Let's go, Wiz. Slap said, how much is the indicator? It's not my indicator, but it's $40. $40 per month. You'll make that back in your first day using the indicator, though. It's not my indicator, but I do use it. It's $40 a month. You'll literally make that back in one day using the indicator. $876 Wiz says, what you trading? NASDAQ futures, bro. This is NQ, and it's NASDAQ futures. What up, V Gabor? Devin said, Dodgy definitely gonna raise the price. We'll see. I don't think so. $40 is a good price, dude. He'll make some money. It's not too expensive. I mean, it's expensive, but you got to think about it. It's a tool to help you make money. So, yeah, if it was something like Netflix or something, it's not that. I mean, it's expensive, but it's literally a tool that makes you money. So, you know, you'll make it back with it. Yeah, man. We can set it up, Devin. Just let me know. Let me know what time you want to do it. We could do it. Flo said, so would you recommend buying? I mean, technically you can see it by yourself pretty much too. Exactly, Flo. Yeah, I mean, if you're on the charts anyway, you can just do it yourself. I like it because it has alerts. It will literally, if I'm at work or something, it'll alert my phone. It has these alerts. So it'll say, hey, there's an A+ setup forming or a B- or something like that. Multi-time frame inversion, you know. That way I don't always have to be looking at the charts. So if I'm at work, I'll get an alert on my phone. I can check it, see if I want to take the trade or not. That's what it's good for. If you're staring at the charts anyway, you already know how to trade IFEGs, then you don't need it. Slap said, what do you do for work? I run a jewelry business. You want to see what I just made? You guys want to see what I just finished up making this week? Let me go find it. It's for sale if you want to buy your lady. If you want to buy your lady something for Christmas here. And if you stay on here, if you take the trades I take for about 2 weeks here, you can get this. If you copy my trades for 2 weeks, you can buy this for your lady friend. Let me go find it. Here it is. Just finished it up hot off the jeweler's bench, boys. Hot off the jeweler's bench. Mint green amethyst pendant right here. Look at that lattice work on this. Look, you can see the lattice work through there. You see the little X's in there? That's the lattice work from the sides. The lattice. And then here's the video. Bang. That's pretty fire, ain't it? That's pretty fresh. That's pretty fresh. Bro, it's in the store. I got it priced in the store for $4,500. I let it go for $2,900. But it's priced, I'm not gonna lie, it's literally priced for $4,500 in the store. I'll let it go for $2,900. Here's another cool like Halloween greenish pendant that I made. It's kind of dainty looking. This one's kind of nice too. This is peridot. If you guys know about stones, this is a peridot pendant. It's nice looking, little dainty, nice looking pendant. But yeah, for staying in the spirit of the Halloween, we got the Halloween green going on here. Boom, boom. Nice looking. And then I also make all sorts of, you know, engagement rings and stuff. So, yeah, man. It's fun. It's fun, dude. Yeah, but, yeah, it's fun. Are they from the Louvre heist? Yeah, dude. I went in there. I stole all those gems. I ain't gonna lie. It was me. It was me. I went to London or wherever that is. The UK. I kind of heard about that. Not really, though. What happened, dude? I saw the meme of the investigator or whatever. It literally looks straight out of a Netflix movie. It literally looked like a Netflix movie. Look at this one, dude. I turned it off because I thought this might not play out, but dude, the indicator don't lose, bro. I'm telling you. I turned the indicator off because I didn't want this bullish one to play out, and it's playing out. You gotta be kidding me. I turned the indicator off because I didn't want this bullish one to work, and it's working. Sadly, I wanted this trade to keep going down, but it seems like the indicator too good for me. This is the 1 minute, dude. This is the 1 minute, Devin. See ya. Yes, this is the NASDAQ. Oh, guys, by the way, I'm going to be on Prop Firm Match YouTube live stream for New York session today. I'm gonna be on prop firm match something. I don't know. I'm gonna be on somebody's live stream today for the New York session. Right here. Prop firm match. That's where I'm gonna be today. Today, I'm gonna be trading New York session on the YouTubes. Yeah, Breezy. Zach. I'm gonna be trading with Zach. Miss K, do I have a link to the indicator? Yeah, let me drop it. Let me drop the link. The linkaroni. Here's the link to the indicator. Things banging out wins. Link to the indicator. Off the Ground says BDH wants a London trader on his channel. Will somebody tell Patrick to hire me, bro? Tell Patrick to pay the money and I'll trade the London session. Tell old Patty boy if he brings in the bucks, I'll make the BDH the best London stream out there. Let's go. Off the Ground. Tell him I don't lose. Tell him you've been watching me and I don't lose. Tell him, bro, Pat, I think I got your guy, bro. 51 likes. We got 51 likes. Yeah, I've been to the BDH before. I've been there before. I want to go back, dude. It was fun. It's crazy, dude. Like, the stuff you see on the screens and stuff, the cars and stuff, like, it's real. It's real, dude. Like, it's crazy to think, like, you see it on screens and stuff, and it's hard to, like, it's like, oh, it's a TV show, kind of. But then you go there in real life and you're like, dude, this is like possible. Like, I could, like, this guy did it. I can do it, you know? It's cool. It's cool to go there and see it, because it's like, well, this guy did it. I can do it too. But this trade played out. I'm sure it would have had some targets. So indicator playing out here. I'm just going for big targets here. I'm trying to go for big old targets here. Dylan Whitney, this is the IFVG indicator. It's really cool. It comes with a checklist and all. So, like, it'll call out, you can have settings and stuff. It'll call out IFVGs and it'll give you a checklist of what it has. This one has a sweep. It's delivering from a PD array, and it has clear targets. And it's really cool because of the alerts feature. If you can't stare at the charts all day, it'll alert your phone and say, hey, there's A plus inversion happening now. Get on the charts. Look at there, boys. This rest of this one's about to get stopped out here. Too bullish. Delivering from this 1 hour fair value gap. The indicator playing out. Is the rest of it gonna get stopped and break even? Bro, I hate all-time highs, bro. All I try to do is short it. Not really. Like, if we just grind, I hate when it's just grinding up like this right here. You see how this, like this kind of let me see. Bro, I hate like this right here, this type of all-time high price action where it's just chopping back and forth. I mean, this right here is fine. I like a good pullback because then I can get in to the longs. But dude, if it's just chopping up, that's the worst, man. That's the absolute worst. Dude, we still caught how many points? 25 points in this crap. 25. Right into there. Bingo. Had secured 2 contracts, had 1 contract running. Bang. Win. Win. Yo, thanks for the sub. Wow, thanks for the sub. Bye, Zoo. Oh, man. I'm tired, boys. Alex said, hi, man. First time here, just found your channel. How are you? Bro, thanks for joining. I'm good. Yoda driving or would have been in with me. Let's go. Yeah, dude, this PA is not the greatest right now, brothers. It's going up though. It's so easy. You wait on a pullback, you get in long, boys. Just like Red Candle said, dude. It's just the Tory trades trend lines. And dude, all you got to do, let me show you. All you do is you buy the indicator right here. Let me show you. Doge's ultimate indicator. Okay, I sent you the things, and it's called out tons of winning trades here. Look at this. It got the short, bang. It got the long, bang. This thing doesn't lose. This thing doesn't lose. The indicator doesn't lose. I'm done promoting stuff though. I don't know if I said that already. You guys can you know, support the channel if you want to. I'm just here to trade, bro. If you want to use my code, use it. I'm not promoting crap anymore. If you want to join the premium, join it. I'm done promoting. I'm over it. I'm just gonna trade. I'm gonna make money. And I'm gonna play video games. That's what I'm gonna do from now on. I think after I get off here, I'm gonna play some Battlefield. Dylan Whitney said IFEG. Yeah, man, I'll type in the indicator. Join the Discord, bro. I got a whole section on the indicator in the Discord. Just join the Discord. You can see everything about the indicator. But here it is. Bro, Devin, I want to get Battlefield 6. I want to get Battlefield. Alex said, is the IFEG indicator you mentioned, is it a free one or something that you've developed? Nah, Dodgy made it. I just use it. It's $40. You got the Xbox Series X? Bro, I'm thinking about just playing it on my PC, dude. I got a powerful PC right here, but I don't know. I might just get it on my PC. I had a PS5. I don't have it anymore. I never played it. I sold it. sold my PS5 for some I traded it for some tattoos, bro. A while ago. I never used it. That was like 4 years ago. Battlefield's better than COD? I don't know, bro. I love COD. Like, dude, I'm a COD fanboy. Dude, like, I'm a COD fanboy, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Hasveen says how to join your Discord. Should be in the description of the video, bro. If not, I'll drop a link real fast here. I'll drop the link, bruh. Give me just a second. I'm trying to stay on and let you guys get to 69 likes so we can do a giveaway. But I'm about ready to hop off. You got 56 likes. You need about 15 more for a giveaway. Right here. Here's the link. Here's the link to the free Discord. I don't know, Nate. Devin said the new COD is booty. Did you play it on the free trial? Did you play it? Dude, I don't know, dude. Like, just something about COD. I like the way you can kill people so fast. I'm not that good. Let me be honest. I'm not that good. So I like that it takes like half a millisecond to kill somebody in COD. Battlefield, when you got to keep shooting them for like 5 seconds, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose every time if I gotta put more than 4 bullets in somebody to kill them. I'm gonna lose the battle. They're gonna booty hop and jump around and end up turning on me. And yeah, I'm gonna die. But you see what I do in COD, I just go, I worm squirm them boys. Anybody ever watched Black Worm on YouTube? Anybody ever watch Black Worm? I go sit in a corner with my riot shield. I plant my riot shield down and I'm behind that thing. And yeah, I plant the riot shield. I camp behind it and then bop, bop, bop. And I get my kill streaks. Yeah, I'm a camper. I'm a hardcore camper. I camp for kill streaks. It's my favorite. Dude, on the last COD, there was this one map. It was super small, and I laid down in the hallway with my mines behind me because there was only one other way to get in. So, like the Claymore things, the bouncing betties or whatever, I would lay down in this hallway, and the enemies could only come from one way. So I would put my Claymores over here, the other way they could get in, and then I would camp in this hallway, and I'd lay down, boom, spray them as they come through, and boom, I got a nuke. I got a nuke, bro. I got a video. I've only gotten one nuke in my life, and that was it. I ended the whole game by camping. It was awesome. Nah, I didn't have the portable radar. That wasn't me, dude. I don't use that portable radar. Dude, I tell you what, the funnest, dude, I loved the, what was it? I liked the shock sticks. My go-to was I would use the shock sticks and the Claymores. What was that? Battlefield, Black Ops 2. When you had the shock sticks and the Claymores, and I would use the Guardian. I was a rager, dude. I would get people to rage so hard. I'd throw my shock sticks, and I'd put my claymore down. So they'd hop into the trap. They'd run in. They'd get shocked, and then the claymore would hit them. Boom, they blow up. If the claymore missed them, if they had the little flag jacket on or whatever, then my guardian, they'd try to hop in the room. The guardian would just destroy them, and then I just come up, bop, bop, dead. And then after I got a few more kills, I'd get the sentry gun down. So I'd have my guardian, I'd have my sentry gun, game over. They try to come in, my guardian would hit them, my sentry gun, it's over. It's over, dude. They're done. No way they're winning that battle. Listen, guys, let me tell you, that is how the market does you. Just like that right there. That's how me camping, I just got this crazy thought in my head, is how the market treats you. Okay? It's gonna trap the ragers, right? Because that was a trap for the ragers. The ragers kept coming back and they kept dying. They kept losing money in the markets. If you rage in the markets, you lose money. If you raged with me camping, you're gonna keep dying. But if you say, hey, I'm gonna lose this battle, let me just stop. Same thing in the markets. If it's just not your day, if the market's beating you, just stop for the day. That's like me in Call of Duty. You're not gonna beat me, so you might as well just quit. But the ragers, they kept coming back, and I'd keep killing them, son. Keep killing them. That was me, bro. What up, Chris? What up, Chris? Red candles, you ain't carrying nothing, son. I don't need nobody to carry me. I play free for all, brother. I play free for all. I don't like teams. I ain't no team player. I play free for all. Oh, I tell you what I did do sometimes. I would play search and destroy, and I like to ninja defuse. You guys ever ninja defuse and search and destroy? I'd have a specific ninja defuse class set up. Yeah, we're at 62 likes. You boys ain't gonna make it. I'm about to get off here in about 3.5 minutes. Break the Matrix said hardcore S&D. Dang, bro. Hardcore. Oh, man. Tired, man. I'm about to hop off. I gotta take a shower. Break the Matrix. Nah, man. Already shorted, bro. Already shorted. Plus, I would wait till market opens. This is not very good price action at the moment. Okay, you guys are almost there at the like goal, though. So I'm trying to wait. There it is. Congrats. All right, we'll do a giveaway. Join up in the Discord. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. Giveaway time. It's giveaway time. You guys want to be in the giveaway? It's giveaway time. Join up. Because it's giveaway time. Giveaway. It's giveaway time. Join up. Type something in the giveaway channel to be joined up in the giveaway. Type something in there to be entered in to win a free prop firm account. Let's go. I'll be right back. Give me just a second. It's giveaway time.
James is a man in love, but he's a man who's been burned by love before.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.
Y'all ready?
And they say yeah.
Is everybody ready for the giveaway?
Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
Ludacris going in on the verse, cause I never been defeated and I won't stop now. Keep your hands up, get them in the sky for the homies that ain't making it and my folks locked down. I never went nowhere, but they saying Luda's back. Blame it on that contour, the hood call it Luda Yak. And I'm on this foolish track, so I spit my foolish flow. My hands go up and down, like strippers' booties go. My verses still be serving, tight like a million virgins. Last time on a college remix, now I'm on the original version. Can't never count me out, y'all better count me in. Got 20 bank accounts, accountants count me in. Make millions every year, the South's champion. Cause all I do,
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there.
All right, here's everybody that entered. We about to do it here. Ducky race. Duck race. Let's do it. Chris said he's not in there. Bro, if you typed in the Discord, you're in there. Bro, I get copywritten every day, so I don't care. If you typed in the Discord, you're in there. I get copywritten anyway, so I don't care. I'm telling you guys, I'm done. I'm just gonna have fun on stream from now on. I'm done carrying about any of this crap. I'm here to trade and have a blast. That's what I'm here for. So, yeah.
And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there.
Yo, thanks for the sub. Somebody give me a song.
In the kitchen, hot on the stove, water getting boiled.
Somebody give me a song.
Snoopy in the hookie, system overload. I've been running this.
Yeah, I don't care, bro. I don't care anymore. I'm here to win. I care about making money and having fun. Doses and mimosas. Let me find one. Let me find one, bro. I got a good one somewhere in here. I know I ain't listened to some good music in a while.
All I do is win, 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 no matter what. Got money on my mind, I can never get enough. And every time I step up in the building, everybody hands go up. And they stay there, and they say yeah, and they stay there. Cause all I do is win, win, win. And if you going in, put your hands in the air, make them stay there.
All right. Dude, I've heard Jordan Belfort.
Hey, this right here, sound like that new bounce. H-U-E-Y, hits committed, partner.
Money time. What is this, bro? I ain't listening. All right, I got a song. I got one coming up. Whoa, not that one. Let me see. I gotta find a good one for this duck race. I got everybody's name in there. We'll put it on 2 minutes here. Here, dude. I gotta. Do I want to go? Okay, I'm just going to play this one. I don't care. Let me see. Let me see if anybody's typing anything good. Whatever. I'm just going to play this. It's not great, but I don't care. It's okay. It's nothing crazy, but it's just a good song to get the day going. Coming up. I got stupid ads. All right. Let's get it going here. Let's start it up. D. Oakley. We trade live in London session, but I'll say it after. We're just gonna start the duck race. I'll tell you about the mentorship after.
Friendly, yeah. Now I'm jumping out of Bentley, yeah. And I know I sound dramatic, yeah. But I know I had to have it, yeah. For the money, I'm a savage, yeah. I be itching like I had it, yeah. I'm surrounded 20 bad bitch, yeah. But they didn't know me last year, yeah. Everyone wanna act like they important, but all that mean nothing when I saw my door, yeah. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball, yeah. Everything custom like I'm at the bottom, yeah, yeah. If you fuck with winning, put your lighters to the sky. How could I make sense when I got millions on my mind? Coming with that bullshit, I just put it to the side. Bought a sense of baby, they could see it in my eyes. my mama call, see you on TV. Sunset shit done changed ever since we was.
Who's gonna win? 30 seconds left.
I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. Sipping on Ciroc, trip 'em up with the words. I done popped the Molly and I think it's be my third. Jordan Belfort. Jordan Belfort. I've been getting dirty money, Jordan Belfort. Stacking penny stocks while I'm flipping these birds. I just flipped a birdie, money so dirty. Got my bitch a mate, furry like Furby. I came up, made a million, spend it on a rolling. Stacking good,
Dylan Whitney, let's go.
Dirty martini, I'ma fuck your bitch. Call me Houdini, I'm driving Lamborghini. In a bikini.
Dylan Whitney, let's go, dude. You won. Congrats, bro. Let's go. Dylan, message up in the Discord here. Message up in the Discord, Dylan. Oh, what the heck? Dude, I keep hitting Control C instead of Control V. What the heck, man? Am I an idiot? Am I stupid? What the heck, man? Copy. And now I go here and I hit Control V. There we go. Finally. Finally. All right, boys. All right, boys. I'm gonna drop the mentorship link if you want to join. Use code SPOOKY for 50% off, ending soon. You can get it 50% off right now only, but I'm about to hop off here. So congrats, Dylan. We'll be back on here 7 a.m. tomorrow morning for the pre-market, or if you're in the premium, London session, 3 a.m. Eastern time in the morning. But thanks for hanging out, guys. I'm about to get off of here. And, man, we caught another win this morning. Win, win, win. That's what we do. That's what we do here. All right, boys. Y'all have a good day. I'll see ya. Peace.
Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by Slade,